Here we come to the piece of crap Schindler. Here at the MGM. We're already in for a lovely experience. I'm kind of scared to ride this. I'm doing it. This is the thing that always breaks down and I'm riding it. Watch me get stuck in here. I don't trust this thing a little bit. Alright, we made it down. And let's see what it does going up. It smells questionable in here. The cab is in disrepair. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Gee, it flies up the shaft. And then we gotta go down. I don't know why I'm taking this thing down, but I have to get a cab use, so I'm required to do it. Look, the switches are exposed. Look at the screws are there too. Yeah, you can tell this thing is falling in some disrepair. Definitely seen better days. This thing is a piece of crap. It's probably the worst elevator I've filmed out of everything I've seen in Vegas so far. And it's blocked. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Come on. Watch to see what this thing does. It levels instantly though, that's the only good thing, but other than that, it's a piece of crap. It's a mega junk elevator, that's it. Night lantern used to be exposed. And I think there's another elevator at some other point. I don't know where it is though. Might as well take the escalators down, there's Schindler. Alright, that's it.